Okay. Already we see the clouds. They're coming in, so I'm gonna go back to the car. I suspect I got my exercise for the morning. And with the heat, without a doubt, the heat, I don't trust these things. Okay, the heat helps. Well, so they warn about getting on these rocks in terms of danger, but I guess for the true fishermen, they're often looking for that quote honey hole, and they risk a life and limb. I hear the thunder. I hear the thunder. Can you hear it? Taking off from Miami Airport. You see there's an opening in the clouds right there. Let's see if there's going to be lightning. Someone said every second between thunder and lightning you will hear it indicates the number of miles that the storm is from you. So I'm going to turn the camera off, and I'll see you soon.